In this video, Bitcoin has now started forming a new pattern in the shorter time frame. Well, stay tuned to know more. Do you want to learn the strategy that I use for my day-to-day trading? Then make sure to check out our Gaps Crypto 101 playlist. You can start learning how to trade in the cryptocurrency market all for free, and the link is available in the description down below. And if you want to start opening an account with any crypto trading platform, make sure to trade this guys with Femex and Bybit, as they have one of the lowest fees possible in the cryptocurrency market. And if you use our affiliate links, you can get up to 20,000 US dollars of bonuses when you are going to deposit with those trading platforms, and the links are available in the description down below. So now let's dive into this video. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabs cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out videos like this. So yeah, let's now dive into this video, and let's give you first some quick recap of the previous short-term analysis. And hindi ko na siya nasabi sa mga videos natin. Mas nasabi ko siya actually sa Facebook page, wherein previously we have been monitoring itong symmetric triangle forming in the hourly time frame. And 'di ba, sinabi ko nga doon na this move could either take us to the ito, we have to get the height of this triangle, then this move can either take us to either 74k or back down to 70, or sorry, back down to 65k, depending on where this will break out. But as you can see, this movement has made a breakout to the downside, and as you can see, that move has met that target exactly na nga after forming that bearish breakdown dito kay Bitcoin. But right now, what is the next move dito ngayon with the Bitcoin price action? If you are going to look closely, I have actually started drawing this pattern na nag-form, which is a falling channel lang nga ngayon dito kay Bitcoin. And usually, a falling channel is a continuation pattern to the downside following this channel. But one thing na you have to take note is if magkaroon na tayo dito ng bullish breakout or ma-break niya na yung resistance dito, this tends to go back to the previous high nitong channel, which is more likely going to be around the 71,000. Let's try to look at this kung saan 71,300 US dollars. So if this channel is going to break to the upside, then we might see Bitcoin go back to the 71,300 US dollars. So right now we are going to monitor if we are going to get a resistance nga dito kay Bitcoin at the resistance area. So right now I believe this trend is still going to continue to the upside dito following this current Bitcoin bounce nga dito sa support area. So it's the resistance na currently nag-play ngayon around is 67,500 US dollars. So roughly around that area is going to be the crucial resistance that we are going to watch out for within the next few days, or actually next few hours lang naman, kasi since this is in the hourly time frame. Because if you're going to look at this in the 15-minute time frame, you would see now we actually have formed that intra-market cycle volatility, wherein yung mga pump and dump niya nga na nag-form sa very short term. So as you can see, meron tayo diyang clear channel forming in the very shorter time frame, in the 15-minute time frame. So right now, this is not yet a confirmed move to the upside, but rather we have to take note na meron din tayo mga small movements na nag-form dito in the 15-minute time frame. If let's say we get rejected dito in the resistance area, then we can actually see Bitcoin continue this downtrend pababa back to the 64,000 US dollars, which is a much lower price action if we are going to get resistance dito. So take note, what I am going to monitor now is ito. If let's say ang mangyari dyan within the hourly time frame, ito yung gusto ko ipakita sa inyo guys, is if in the hourly time frame, ang mangyari is we did not see any breakout dito guys, ayan. If we did not see any breakout dito, ayan o, dyan sa area na yan, if let's say si Bitcoin umakit dito sa area na yan, tapos let's say, well, if let's say nagkaroon ng breakout muna, if let's say umakit siya ng 67,600 US dollars, then I am going to open a long position for the very short term only. So take note, that is for the short term only, and I am going to open that kay Wix, kasi doon mas maganda mag-open ng short term trades. And then I am going to target dito the 71,300 US dollars if we are going to get that breakout dito kay Bitcoin. However, if let's say we did not see 67,600 US dollar, or sorry, 67,600 US dollars, hindi natin siya nakita, at let's say nangyari dito is Bitcoin is just dropped down back to the 66,400, then I am going to open a short position following around 64,000 US dollars as my target dito. So, depending kung saan siya magkakaroon ng candle close, if magkaroon ng candle close sa 67,600, open ako ng long position. Pero if hindi, if candle close niya is 66,400, then I am going to open a short position dito kay Bitcoin. So, that is my current, or that is going to be my trade for the Bitcoin price action for the very short term only. Now, take note, meron din ako gusto pag-usapan, which is my long-term Bitcoin short position. And yung long-term short position ko na sinasabi ko sa inyo na yung inopen ko from 114,000, I have actually took partial profits na nga once na nag-hit siya nung 66,000 US dollars. So, nag-take na ako ng partial profit dito sa long-term short position ko around this area, 66,000 US dollars. So, dyan ako nag-take ng partial profit, and my next take profit area is going to be the 60,000 US dollars, which is roughly much lower pa. So, yung take profit na yun, which is a full take profit na gagawin ko doon. And take note, I have also placed in my new buy orders na nga. So, may buy order ako ngayon sa 60,000 US dollars then. So, 60,000 as well as the 58,000 US dollars, 55, 51,000. Those are my current buy orders ngayon with the Bitcoin for the long term. But yeah, we will take things one step at a time for those long-term trades. But for the short term, ang focus muna natin is itong descending channel na nag-form dito within the hourly time frame. So that is what I'm going to monitor within the next few hours muna with the Bitcoin price action. And take note guys, long-term trades ko is currently with Bybit, and yung short-term trades ko is currently with Wix. So if wala pa kayo account with those platforms, make sure to use my sign-up link, which you can find in the description down below. But anyway, just a quick update lang muna for tonight. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like, and make sure to hit the subscribe button down below para if ever na meron akong panibagong update, you won't miss out those new updates. Make sure to comment then down, what do you think? Are we going to see a bullish or bearish breakout dito sa falling channel na to? And yun guys, yun lang muna update natin for the time being. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.